I mean I tell Nathan and
Yeah,
in the thing say it did come up in a December, you know, but
early
I tell
part.
it in an early part of December. But I mean,
What's up, guys? You don't know, say it's your boy Nathan.
And I girl CC.
Yeah, people, and I don't see title already. Yeah, I know so I don't see title, so I don't know what will take place. So guys, before we get into this video, I want you to
Like,
share,
comment,
subscribe,
hit that notification bell,
and make sure you put it for all. You
so
see me?
whenever we post one next one,
you will be notified. You see me, guys? Watch it, ads them for you. Please, me beg you go over with Instagram, go follow with Instagram. Link in the description. Follow me at Nathan_lavish with 2H. You see me? 2H at the end. And follow CC at real CC.
Real underscore CC underscore 876.
Yeah, guys. So just follow it. Because I don't see nobody to follow
me on Instagram, guys. You know, follow the link
follow,
in the description.
follow Instagram, please. Me beg you, link in the description. More if you subscribe to CC page. We got 2K, guys.
Video. Go over there, go check it
out. Yeah, guys.
We got 2K, guys.
So just watch the ads them for it. Yeah. That's
the main thing. Watch the ads. And guys, as we get the notification and jump on the video, guys, and leave a like.
Yeah,
and like first.
After leave a suggestion,
Yeah.
Remember, guys.
Like, then a comment, then you go and watch the video.
5 times. So, guys, today, shout out 2 persons that missed comment 5 times. Is Renee and Lee, guys. I want to go over to them page.
Them link I go down in the description.
Yeah, go like, share, comment, and subscribe. Renee and Lee and always Candy.
A Candy?
Yeah, Candy comment from early 5 times. Life with Candy, though.
Yes,
Life
guys,
with Candy, guys.
Over Life with Candy and subscribe to. Just show them some love. Make them know say CC and Nathan. They're my young YouTuber. You know, say everybody I try out on YouTube. Everybody want to reach them full goals on YouTube. So I just want to go over there and Diamond,
lock out that song there. Yeah, guys. So we just want to do that for you. So we are gonna just head straight into the video. No.
Yes, guys.
So, I know say when I see the title already, some people would feel like, say, yo.
I like we are tell, but it's no joke.
And I joke something, guys, because from December.
Serious, guys, man, was serious.
Nothing. She didn't say nothing, no period, no time. And she be asleep, tired, she feel and everything, isn't it? So. Yeah, she has say, alright, tip to them. 10 that.
Which them could have feel me, I feel I'm gonna feel like they're joking. They're gonna feel like they're joking, but
no, I'm gonna feel like they're joking.
So I say you feel so big.
No, I'm just put my hand on it like so. Let's speak slow.
So yes, guys.
Yeah, people.
I real talk, guys.
Yes, so.
I real talk. I'm gonna some period. None of December. None at all. I mean I tell Nathan and in the thing say it did come up in a December, you know, but
early
I tell
part.
in an early part of December. But I tell him no, but me that try to remember if me did see it, but I normally miss my period till next month. You understand me, guys? So it kinda seem a little weird, so just make it and all that.
Yeah, so more while you can the cycle change to you, see me?
Yeah, that's somebody say about it. Me not feel like I cycle change.
The cycle can change.
That can't not mean. Yeah, some people not talk about say, oh, we would have gas and a side effect.
Or she could ask if you stop take the
But
birth
me fi
control
stop take
pills
birth
because
control
of the
pill.
side effect.
Guys, I know some most someone have think some negativity something.
Yeah.
But
Oil,
I'm telling
oil,
you,
you look
I'm a
bright enough there.
joke, I'm a foolish. This no look fake. Cause first thing, if you look fake, we all laugh. So my only
People,
say when time we do the video, we all laugh. Which part we all laugh? This is no joke.
me don't want to feel like it. And every time we go come in front of
I'm
man,
telling you lie, be a
yeah,
lie,
I'm
lie,
prank.
lie. I'm prank,
Because
I'm prank.
if we are prank, you know, we are making you know say yo, a prank. But it's not this is not no prank, the tablet. Eh. Yeah guys, so this is not a prank, you see me? I just want to know that and know say yo, we know alright, we know we would run a prank about that.
Yeah.
See me? It's
Then-
just, let me tell you why they think a prank, because the type of video we do. You see me?
No, them say other YouTuber do this.
Yes, and the type of
So-
video, well, and them see it already, so them gonna say, but
I see a thing we are trying. No, guys.
and a prank, you
First
see me?
thing, if we don't try that, we don't try that wrong.
Not because you see one next YouTuber do it and I did prank, that means
That
say,
means say a prank.
if we do it a prank, you see me? Because you know, everybody got embassy get visa, no?
True.
Alright, so pick sense out of that.
But, yeah.
So, we just I go want to do a boyfriend, you know how long we do a test, but we want to do it on the camera, you see me?
Yeah.
We make you see live, we have to take
Live.
two of them
Yeah,
live,
show on a live.
and make you see, you see me? Well,
you
I don't know
say-
if I that, you see, if I
Guys,
that.
I know say me did ask like the person that tell me say me can't something there. What you call again be? Must say
Bleach,
yeah, get bleach and we can use the early morning
PP.
PP and throw it on the bleach and make it stay there for about 15 seconds, and if it have frat up on, so that means you're pregnant. But me not really believe in that. Me believe in a pregnancy test. So me work with a pregnancy test. That tell me everything. Whether true or lie. I mean know if you work it. 2 strokes mean positive and the one mean negative. So me go with the pregnancy test.
Yeah. So, boy, there, frat upstairs, you know, wicked
That
it
frat
and
up
wobbling.
wicked. I told me delete the video. Me just shown it in the last part of this, guys. But I want to show you every little thing. I'm not hiding nothing from you. I'm going to show you so it's serious and a lie. We used to prank you and tell you a lie, and then something like, oh, guys, them thing they stop. We done them thing there. You know, our family now. So after telling you the truth, basically
Yeah.
everything you're going on our lives, because they can explain and tell them.
I
wanna believe.
Yeah. You see me? So, people just want to support the thing. You see me?
Yeah, guys, we
Support
just
the
want to know who
movement.
want to watch the ads, them please, me I beg you guys. We want to know
Yeah,
watch
that's the
the
main
video.
thing. And thank everybody. Well, 18,053.
Yeah.
Thank
Thank
you
you
guys
guys
for
for
that
that.
so much right now. We are aiming for 20k
20K.
guys. You see me? 20k at the aim. I wonder if we can reach 20k by January for done.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. We are keep our fingers crossed.
Hopefully, you see me?
Yeah. Hopefully.
January, this month, my birth month, man.
Oh my
Yeah.
god.
The 18th.
The 18th of this month is my baby's birthday.
You see me, guys? The 18th of the month, I'm gonna be
It's gonna be 20.
20, 20, 20, 20. You see me, people?
Guys, remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell. Tell a friend to tell another friend about CC and Nathan.
Yeah, guys, you see,
Understand?
if you don't realize, say, yo, you not get no notification, you need to unsubscribe
And
and
subscribe.
subscribe back. You see me? And put back the bell for all because YouTube the
Like
problem
it and
now.
yeah.
You see me? So, guys, just remember to stay tuned. We are waiting for more rest of video. Oh no. See it
And we
there.
are going to go more update.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But must. And I gotta get updates on this straight, isn't it? But must. Wizard of us. But must. Yeah, people, so just until then, remember guys, go over to Renee and Lee.
And Life with Candy.
Yeah,
and
guys, go
subscribe,
over
make them know
there
to CC and Nathan.
or subscribe to them channel.
Yeah.
Guys, I make them know, say, I see and Nathan Senna. Zero,
me?
guys. And don't forget to follow with my Instagram.
At
Nathan underscore lavish.
with 2H.
Yeah, 2H
and
at the end.
Real underscore CC underscore 876, guys. Gonna go over there and follow you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do.
Until
And
next
if you don't have no
time,
prank
guys.
idea, you just never know. Because any other way are there.